What's up everybody, my name is Victoria Stray and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some galaxy jars. These things are super awesome and super cool and I'm really excited to show you, so let's get it started. So to start off this project, you're going to need some cotton balls, and with these cotton balls you're going to pull them together. You're going to pull them out actually. The reason why you're going to pull these out is because you want them to be more airy and kind of cloudish looking. Then you're going to place them into the jar. I'm using this little tiny skinny jar, but you can use like a mason jar. I think a lot of people do use mason jars. Then cover this all up in glitter. This is going to be the very first layer, and every layer is going to have glitter and a separate color of food coloring inside it. Once that's done, I'm filling this cup up with water, and my first layer is going to be blue food coloring. And then the next thing you have to do is you have to add water. This is going to dilute the solution and actually make it look more like a galaxy, give it that galaxy effect. Then you're just going to do the same exact thing with a different color. I'm doing pink, it's my next color, dilute it. Then doing the same thing with purple, dilute the water. And then when you're at the very end, make sure to add a bunch of cotton balls to the top because you want to suck out as much moisture as possible because you do not want your galaxy jar to have moisture inside it. Then close up the jar, and I just kind of struggled a little bit because I put so much cotton balls in, but that's a good thing. Close it up, and there you have your amazing looking galaxy jars, guys. Oh my god, they are so cute and amazing. That other one that I made right here, I dropped and it kind of scattered all the colors and glitter everywhere, but I think it still looks good. These things are super awesome. I hope you really did enjoy this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I guess that's basically it. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!